If you want to save some space on your screen, then you can go here above to all these icons and text, right click and say show icons only, then you will only see the icons. Same for the inspector, right click, show all icons only. You can also choose for show text only. I like them both. And the same here in the lower part of the screen where you have media cut, edit, fusion, color, fairlight, deliver. Just say show icons only and there you go. If you want to go further with this, you can also click on workspace and then decide what of the pages you show and what not. If you want to get rid of the media page, for example, or the cut page, just uncheck it here and it will no longer show up in the lower part of the screen. If you want to have it back, just check it again and there you go. If you want to get rid of the window environment, you can also go to workspace and click on full screen and everything what you see is DaVinci Resolve. How cool is that? Have a great day, fellows, and have fun with the rest of the playlist.